Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with the latest pins from your favorite creators on Pinterest, the new update makes it easier than ever to get in-app notifications right from your PC. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you enable these notifications so you never miss out on creative inspiration. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personalized settings. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings from this menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your Pinterest experience, from privacy to notifications. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you control how Pinterest keeps you informed about activity related to your account and the creators you follow. Scroll down until you find the Activity from Creators section. Under this, look for the option labeled New Pins from creators you follow. This is the feature that lets you get notified whenever someone you follow posts a new pin. To enable in-app notifications, simply toggle the switch next to in-app. This ensures you'll receive updates directly within Pinterest whenever there's something new from your favorite creators. Don't forget the final step. Click Save at the bottom of the page. This will make sure your new notification preferences are applied, and you're all set to receive alerts. And that's it. With these quick steps, you'll always be in the loop when your favorite creators share new pins. Enjoy exploring fresh ideas and never miss a moment of inspiration on Pinterest. Happy pinning!